Hi, I'm Bailey Funky with Providence Group Realty, and today I'm excited to show you our newest listing, 2008 Lakeside Lane in Plano, Texas. This house is located in the lovely community of Country Place. Let's go inside and take a look around. 2008 Lakeside Lane in Plano, Texas is listed at $429,000. This property was built in 1978 and is 2,487 square feet. 2 separate living spaces are perfect for entertaining and spending time with friends and family. The eat-in kitchen offers double ovens and stainless steel appliances. One feature we know you will love about the master bedroom is that it offers 2 walk-in closets. The home features 4 beds and 3 full baths. The community of Country Place offers some great amenities, which include a swimming pool, tennis courts, jogging paths, and a clubhouse. There's also a spacious fenced backyard with plenty of room to play or to garden. Thanks so much for taking a tour of this lovely home with us today. If you have an interest in this property or you just want additional details on the home, please give me a call or a text on my direct number, 316-519-3799. We'd love to show you around. Thank you and have a great day.